Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to solve iPhone SIM failure on iPhone 14, 15 Pro Max. To solve this problem, the first you need to do is turn on your airplane mode and turn it off after 20 to 30 seconds. This might help you to solve SIM failure problem. The other way is to eject your SIM card and again put it back after 20 to 30 seconds. After you do that, go to your settings and hit on screen time, then go to content and privacy restriction. After you go through it, make sure that it is turned on. Then scroll down a little bit. There you will see cellular data changes. Hit on that and make sure that it is turned on allow. Then go back to your general and hit on transfer or reset your iPhone. Then reset network settings. This will help your SIM failure problem. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.